Chapter number 12, Key Takeaways. A digital audit improves the quality of opinion. This consequently leads to a more reliable audit report. It leads to savings in time, cost, and human efforts, which can be utilized towards more productive tasks. Auditing digitally is using the advancements in technology for conducting an effective and efficient audit. With a rapidly growing IT environment, it is essential to adapt technology in auditing practices. It is necessary for an auditor to understand key areas of automated environment. Such key areas include understanding flow of transaction, identification of significant systems, identification of manual and automated controls, and identification of technologies used. It is also imperative upon an auditor to identify the risks arising from the use of IT. The auditor may consider the nature of a identified IT application. Applicable risks arising from the use of IT may also be identified related to cybersecurity. It is more likely that there will be more risks arising from the use of IT when the volume or complexity of the automated application controls is higher and the management is placing greater reliance on those controls for effective processing of the transactions or the effective maintenance of the integrity of underlying information. Cyber risks have to be considered like a business risk. It is necessary for an auditor to understand cyber risk strategy of an entity. It should include gaining some knowledge about cyber security framework of an entity. Cyber security framework includes how management is identifying the risk, protecting and its assets. Safeguarding its assets, including electronic assets, from the risk management preparedness to detect attacks, anomalies, and responsiveness to the adverse event. Apart from having the cyber security policies, procedures, framework, and regular assessment in place, management should have a strong and updated internal controls to ensure that they are covered from cyber risks. Such controls could include controls over vendor setup, electronic fund transfer, and patch management, etc. Emerging technologies in business are also transforming auditing's landscape. Data analytics, artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, and blockchain are some of such technologies. Auditing digitally also has to assess technology risk considerations like relying upon programs which are inaccurately processing the data, issue of technological personnel gaining access, privileges beyond those necessary to perform their duties, inability to access data as required, cyber security risks, etc.